I've never had that happen before.
Just making a quick recordings for mine and your records. 14016 Midvale Ave North, dates June 14th, 2021. Making this recording from the 4-inch diameter cleanout, excuse me, here on the southwest corner of the property. I'm going to pull back from the main there. I've zeroed out my footage, so we're going to get an accurate count of footage to that main. This is again a 6-inch diameter concrete stretch of sewer line with a seam about every 2 feet.